Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to host website on Hostinger. But before we begin, you can also save 20% off Hostinger when you use the link down below in the description box. Now let's go back to our tutorial. Web hosting is a necessary service for your website to go live. So it enables you to publish web pages, making them accessible to everyone online. So here I'll show you the steps on how to host a site using this Hostinger. First up here, first step, decide on your website type. So this is the first step of building a website. Decide whether you need a static or dynamic one. A static website is great for building a personal blog, an online resume, or portfolio website. Meanwhile, the dynamic website suits e-commerce shops, membership websites, streaming services, and web apps. So once you've determined the type of website to build, let's go to the next step, which is select a web hosting plan. So here on Hostinger, as you can see on your screen, if you click on this hosting, you'll find some web hosting plan that you can use or you can choose from. So we have here web hosting, we have the cloud hosting, VPS hosting, and the WordPress hosting. So if you click on this web hosting, as you can see for small to medium websites, so click on this one and you'll find some subscription plan that you can choose. First up here is the single plan, which is $1.99 a month. We have here the premium plan, so same amount, $1.99 a month, and we have the business, $3.49 a month, and the cloud startup. So basically, I just want to recommend you to choose this premium as it has a free domain right here. So if you are a beginner, so you can choose this premium plan on this web hosting plan on Hostinger. Now the next one here is the cloud hosting. So you can see for large scale websites. So cloud hosting enables a website to run on multiple cloud servers instead of just one physical server. So if one server goes down, another takes its place. So this type of hosting is a great option for high traffic websites. So here, as you can see, we have Cloud Startup, we have the Cloud Professional, which has for $14.99 a month. We have the Cloud Enterprise. So you can see here, discover cloud servers around the world, compare all cloud hosting plans, and here faster, stronger, and dedicated hosting plans right there. Now we have also VPS hosting. So basically, if you click on VPS hosting, dedicated resources to scale. So if you click on this one, so basically VPS hosting subdivides one physical server into several virtual ones. So each partition comes with dedicated server resources for a particular user. So it grants root access, resulting in more flexibility and autonomy over their server settings. And depending on the web or web host, users may also choose their preferred web server software. So between all of the hosting right here, this VPS hosting is more suitable for larger websites like the e-commerce sites, gaming servers, and a high traffic blogs. So basically we have here KVM 1, 2, 4, and 8, and we have here some plans that you can choose from. Now the last one here, we have the WordPress hosting. So WordPress hosting is specifically optimized for WordPress sites. So this hosting solution usually comes with pre-installed plugins to handle technical setups, software updates, and web hosting security measures. So it's an excellent choice for those who want to build websites on WordPress. So just need to choose your hosting plan right here. Now, once you choose your hosting plan, let's go to the next step, which is get and register a unique domain name for your website. So what is domain name? Domain name is basically the address visitors type into their browsers to access a site. Now, there are some things that you can consider to get and register a unique domain name. So first up, just need to study your niche. And then you just need to choose .com over other DTLVs that you can choose from. And then remember, avoid numbers, hyphens, and double letters, so your domain name is easy to remember. Now also keep it simple and be original. So I recommend you that before finalizing your choice, check your desired domain name's availability using any online domain name search. So you need to make sure that your domain name is original and unique. So that's all. That's how you basically host website on Hostinger. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.